Okay, so I'm here with
Axel.
what do you do?
I am a developer here at Salt. So yeah,
And you're here to explain some tech for us.
actually I'm here to talk about Agile.
Great, that's a massive word, another big word.
Yeah.
So what is Agile?
Well, Agile means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. But at its core, basically what Agile is that it is a set of disciplines and a set of values for organizations to sort of make decisions based upon in order to sort of achieve a greater result based upon what they are looking for.
Tell me more, tell me more.
Yeah, so basically Agile is, it was defined in 2001 for the first time, although sort of the concept of it is a little bit older. But it originates from a manifesto called the Agile Manifesto, signed in 2001 by some Americans in Utah, I think.
Yeah, you can check it out, it's still out there.
Yeah, it is. And basically, so what they want to say is that they want to have an organization that is more targeted towards giving more valuable products towards users, and that every decision making should sort of be targeted towards that goal. And they do that by basically believing in individuals' ability to sort of produce, and removing sort of like the more bureaucratic workflow to focus on sort of achieving results that actually contributes to a more rapid and more improvements.
And I mean, and today, when people say Agile today, what are some like practical things that how does it work in practice?
That's the thing, it's not really sort of a hard line on that way. Basically, like, being agile is to stick to these principles and values. So anything you can do can in theory be an agile thing to do, but as long as it sticks to, achieves these desired outcomes.
And there are some other words like which quite often come in other things like Scrum or Kanban, or what are these words?
Yeah, no, but so those are like ways to sort of improve the development process originally. And it sort of correlates to what I was talking about, sort of the concept of it being older, that basically Agile takes a lot of like Scrum and those things, and sort of distills what makes them valuable, and basically puts it into a title, gives them a title as to what sort of makes them good. But they sort of predate Agile in that regard, I guess you could say.
Yeah. And if you want to learn more about Agile, where's a good place to go?
It's a lot of different sources, but I would always sort of prefer going to the original source, which is like the manifesto itself, because again, like, a lot of people have very different opinions of what it is, but it always like it is in the beginning. It's very simple,
Yeah.
and sort of build out from there.
And you're about more than halfway through the course now.
Yes.
What's it like?
It's very intense, I have to say, yeah. But it's been fun. It's like, it's always nice to learn new things, you know.
And what do you learn today?
Today we're sort of learning how to route through different pages on a React application without sort of actually leaving the page, which is kind of a new concept for me. But so we're
And when you've got about 4 weeks to go.
4 weeks to go, yeah.
What's the sort of aim, and where do you want to end up after this?
I've been thinking about it a lot, but my ultimate goal is to sort of work with developing products, because I'm very sort of both now and in the past, and hopefully in the future, very product oriented. Like I have previously worked more within design, but I want to sort of be part of that actually building process that sort of creates something that ultimately will be used by hopefully as many people as possible.
Cool. And if you're interested, check out the link below, check out your LinkedIn page, perhaps check out your GitHub, and get in touch with Salt. Thank you for explaining some tech for us.
Thanks for having me.